I welcome you all, everyone, for the webinar regarding the GST updates on print profile changes. Once you switch to the GST, what will happen to the print letter changes, such as, for example, in the existing bill print, you are displaying about the VAT details. So how it will reflect once you switch to the GST? So we will go through the product based. As we are having three major products such as ARPA 6, ARPA 7 and DE, how the changes will apply for each product, let us see. You can see the question mark button in your webinar display. Kindly use that button to raise your query regarding this session. Once you upgraded your pass to the GST mode, that is, you have to be in the latest version in all the product. For example, in ARPA 6.5, you should update the latest version like 6.5.8.8 or later, 6.5.8.8 or SP7 or SP6. You should be in that version to upgrade your pass to the GST mode. And in ARPA 7, 99.9, in that version only you can switch the GST. And also from that version 99.9 you can switch to the GST mode. Once you upgrade your pass to the GST mode, to help you to get this GST billing immediately, we have done one major change, that once you upgrade your pass to the GST mode, your existing print profile, if you are using the VAT related details in the existing print profile, it will directly migrate into the GST. For example, in your print design, if you are displaying VAT percentage and amount, the VAT will be replaced in GST and it will show the GST amount once you upgraded your pass to the GST mode. So by default, the migration will be in the total amount. For example, if you are using VAT, it will show the CGST plus SGST replacing VAT. But if you want to show the split up, like CGST separately, SGST separately and IGST separately, for that also we have already given you the default profiles for all the paper size with all the paper size and supporting all the basic printers such as thermal receipt printer or dot matrix or even laser printer. For all the printers paper size, we have given you the default profiles with the GST split up. You can make use of that also. So in this session, we will have a quick look how the migration will happen in the print design, as well as how the default profile will be, and also how we can do the major changes, basic changes in the print design. As everyone know, in ARPA 6, we can see the default profiles and the migration changes in the device settings only. Have to go to the device settings by searching in the menu search option. In the device settings, you can see in the bill entry what profile is mapped in the bill entry. Once you switch it to the GST, it will directly move to the bill entry GST with the suffix called underscore GST. Likewise, we have also given the default profile list in the bill entry GST. If you double click that, you will get a default profile list for that. And also for all the products, we have released the videos for how the GST will happen, and also once we upgraded to the GST, how the print profile will be. Let me show you the videos. You can ask your questions in any language. Definitely we will reply on the particular language itself. If you want to explain us in the any regional language, Tamil, English or Hindi, just enter your query in the chat, we will do that. go to GoFrugal. Here we can see the GoFrugal channel. In that, go to our playlist. Here you can see the playlist based on the product. Let me show you product wise. First we will have how the print design changes in the ARPA 6.5. Let us go through the. Once you upgrade your pass to the latest version such as 6.5.8.8 Service Pack 6 or other Service Pack 6 or 7, which is later, please follow the steps how the print profile changes will be. Go to device settings in the menu search option. Here you can see the device settings option. Before upgrading your pass to the GST mode, the bill entry profile is BK bill and the bill entry GST and sales return will be kept blank. So before upgrading your pass, it will be blank. It won't update the profile. Once you upgrade your pass to the GST mode, then this BK profile will be migrated into BK bill underscore GST and it will map here automatically. Let us. To see the preview of your existing profile, for example, existing profile is BK bill. Let me show you the sample preview how the profile will be having the VAT details. Click the print design, you will get the designs page. Just click the preview button, you will get a preview of the existing profile. Here you can see that the existing profile having VAT percentage and also the total VAT amount. So let us see how it will be after GST upgradation. Now we have updated the pass to the GST mode. So let us see how the GST bill print profiles migrated to GST mode. Go to the device settings, same like search and type device settings. Open device settings. Here you can see that the BK bill profile has been migrated to BK bill underscore GST as I said. So it has been migrated with the GST and also the VAT details in that bill print design also will get migrated. So let us see the preview of how it has been migrated. Go to the print design again and also click the preview button. Here you can see that the VAT has been changed into CGST plus SGST, as well as the VAT amount is changed into CGST plus SGST amount. So in this by default your existing profile VAT will be replaced into CGST plus SGST. But if you want to show the tax split up of the CGST and SGST, for example, there it will be show the total amount of CGST plus SGST. But you want the split up like CGST separately and SGST separately. In that case, we have to use the default profile only. We have already given the default profiles list to your product in the patch. So you can use the default profiles to show to display the split up of CGST and SGST separately. So if you want to display your GST split up in your bill print separately, we have to use only the default profiles. Go to the device settings. Here by default it will map the profiles. If you want to change, just double click the bill entry GST profile type. You will get a list of default profiles for all the paper size. For example, I am loading the supermarket 4-inch. We have given already. Click the print design. Here you can click the preview. Here you can see the separate split up of each amount: SGST percentage, SGST amount, and CGST amount, CGST percentage. So you will get a split up separately for all the tax in all the print pages, like page size and also the printer types. So if you want to map the printer, just click select the printer and select your bill printer and click apply. So once you applied for the default print profile changes, you have to save in the device settings. Just close this screen and save the profile in the device settings. Click the profile and click save. So now you have saved that profile in the device settings. If in case if you want any changes in the bill print, like if you want to use default profile with the split up, but if you want to do any changes, for that also we will have a separate video how to do the basic changes in bill print design. Once we completed this product wise video, we will have a quick demo of what are the basic changes we can do in the bill print design itself. Let me show you the video of ARPA 7. For ARPA 7 customers, click go and type device settings, reprint. First we can see the existing profile, how it will print in the, for example, for June 30 I am showing. You can see we have given the VAT. Once we upgrade past to the GST mode, we have to see the July 1st bill. Just change the date here and click on. Here you can see the bills dated. We have selected July 1 and click on go and click the preview. Here you can see that for this July 1st bill, we have that VAT has been migrated to the GST, and also the profile name also migrated to underscore GST. You can see the VAT has been replaced. So same like ARPA 6, if you want to show the tax split up separately in the bill print, same you have to do for the ARPA 7 also. We have given you the default profiles. Just click go and open device settings. In that you can see print profile settings. Click that and select print selection for GST. We have given the separate tab for the GST profiles. Here for the all transaction, you can see that we have given the default profiles and the existing profiles has been migrated. So if you want to change the default profiles, just click that transaction and double click. You will get the profile list. Here you can select the default profiles for various paper size and click on OK. Now go to reprint and select July 1st. Select one bill and click preview. You can see the VAT. It has been took from the, for June bills it has took VAT profiles. So it will show the VAT. Now let us see for the July bills. Doing one bill for the GST. Click preview. Here you can see that the split up, that in the tax details also you can see the split up separately. SGST and CGST separately you will get in the bill print if you are using our default profiles. Here we will have a quick demo about how we can change the basic changes in the bill print design. You will get all the default profiles for the all transaction. If you want to do any changes like uh, you want to add any promotional message or you want to change any alignment in the bill print design, so we will have a quick demo regarding that. Wait, let we have a demo about that.
If you have any queries till now, please post your questions. We will be happy to answer. We know that many customers are starting the GST transition just now. For that, don't worry, we have a separate playlist which gives you in a single video all the information needed to upgrade to GST. If you watch a single video of approximately 1 hour, your GST transition will be successful. It is available product wise. Just go to our YouTube channel and under the playlist you will be having switch to GST under 60 minutes. In that playlist, you will be having for all the products like RPOS 7, RPOS 6 and DE. Please make use of that. Let me give you and update you on quick stats. Out of in RPOS 7, around 3000 customers have applied the patch to RC 99.10 themselves, and 1500 plus customers have upgraded to GST and they are started their journey in GST with GoFrugal. And in RPOS 6, around 900 customers have updated the latest patch, out of which 600 customers have successfully upgraded to GST. And in DE, around 1500 customers have updated to the latest version themselves in DE6, and they have also migrated their DE accounts to tracked accounts, and around 800 customers have already switched to GST and they have started the billing in GST. So it's the right time to make your decision. Please make sure you have updated all the masters. Let me begin with patch updation. Make sure you are updated to the latest patch. Then go to all the masters and update the necessary GST details. For confidence, make use of the practice mode. Do few transactions in practice mode, and after that you can confidently proceed to the GST switch. Upgrade to GST and then continue your billing in GST. GoFrugal wishes you all the best for your upcoming journey in GST with GoFrugal. As always, we will be guiding you through our digital tools like webinars, videos in YouTube, and also your My GoFrugal What's Now push notifications. Help chat Chitti is serving around 1500 plus unique customers, and the response rate is increasing day by day. You would have received a mail from our CEO in which he has detailedly stated the improvement of Chitti and also the growth of Chitti and looking way forward to the support in GoFrugal. Now, Mr. Imtiaz will be guiding you on how to make minor changes in the print design.
Now let me guide you how to do the minor changes in bill print designs. For example, in this default profile, we have shown you that tax split up separately. If you click preview, you can see the tax split up of all the items. For example, in the first item, for the first item, that tax 5% applied, so it is split into SGST 2.5 and 2.5. For the second item, the XGST is 12, sorry, SGST is 6 and CGST is 6, the total is 12 GST. And for the third item, GST is 18, so SGST is 9 and CGST is 9. For that amount also you can see separately. For those items, you can see the default goods value. So if you want to do any minor changes like move alignment and also adding a new field, for example, to show your promotional offer or any message, just you can see one button like below preview, section wise label. Use that field to give any message label out of your input in the bill print. Just click that button and you can move the cursor and click where you want to show that message. Just I'm placing that here. Here it will be like label. Just double click that, it will be in blue color. Just double click that, you will get a box to enter your message. For example, I'm typing a message, happy GST, and click on apply. It will show here, but it was not aligned properly. So that how we can do the alignment? Just click preview. Here you can see that that message is showing improper way. So just click escape and click that field. Use control and arrow mark to move that field in the bill print design. Press control and hold and use the arrow mark key to move that field left or right or up or down. For example, I want to show the happy GST field here. If you don't have any space to place that, you can see the red color. If you click that, it will see the, you can show the split up based on the field. That is maybe header field or detailed section or footer section. Now this is the footer section. I want extra space. So if you move the cursor for that green color point, you can see the cursor can change into the arrow mark. Just click that and drag. You will get extra space. So again click that field and use control plus arrow mark to move. And also you can see that it is showing only happy, but you have entered the message. So you can see for that field the width is only 10 mm. Just click that and change how you want the width and enter. Now it is big. Just click the preview again to check how it is displaying the print. Now it is displaying properly in the bill print. As you can see, we have configured that and it is showing properly. If you want to remove any existing field, if you want to don't show that field in the bill print, what we have to do? Just click that field and you can see in the right side print visible. If it is tick mark, it will be visible in the print. If you don't want to visible in the bill print, just tick again, it will remove and you can see the cross mark, cut mark in the field and it will show, it won't show in the bill print display. We can see that happy GST is not showing here. So this is how we can do the print related changes. Like if you want to add any label field means what are the input, like our message to the customers in the bill print. So how to do? First click that label, section wise label and place that here and double tap to enter your message and apply to show. And if you don't want, just disable the print visible and it won't get the message. And again if you want to display this, enable the print visible, then you will get that message. And also one more thing, if you want to any result from the software, for example I want to show the loyalty points in the bill print. We can show how we can take the fields which are from the software. Whenever you are placing the cursor, you can see that the section will change. For example, this is the header or footer section, so it will show header section, header field. and also this is the major detail. How the item details is the how the item details is printing is the detail section. So if you click here, it will show the detail field. So we have fields separately for the section wise. For detail section we will have separate fields, and for the header section we will have a separate fields. So based on that we can get the field from here. If you click that, it will show the what the description and how the result will be. So you can click that and place it wherever you want and make the alignment changes for that field. So please try this in your own. We do have the videos also for that separately. Let me show a video for you also.
To open the print design page, click on Go, New Fields in the print. Minor changes in your print design. In this video, I will be guiding. Once you have upgraded to GST and mapped the default print profiles or the existing profile which has been migrated, you may be needing to make minor changes in your print design. In this video, I will be guiding you how to add and delete new fields in the print design, align the fields horizontally and vertically, increase the width of the field and move the field around the print design. To open the print design page, click on Go, type Device Settings. Under the Profile Selection GST, select the profile that you want to edit and click on Preprint Design. Once the design page is open, that is our Easy Print tool is open, click on Enable Editing to start modifying the print profile. Suppose if you want to delete this TIN number and add GST number instead of this, click the field that you want to delete and press the delete button to delete the selected object. The print design is divided into three parts. This will be the header section of the print design, and this one will be detail section. Below the detail section, you will be having the footer section, and in the footer section there will be a tax summary section. These violet fields are text fields and cream color fields are dynamic generated fields from your database. Suppose if you want to make any changes in these text fields, you can either delete this and create a new text field from here, or you can directly double click text field and make the changes you want. Suppose you want to add your shop's GST number in this header section. In the new label, type GSTIN and click Apply. Click on the field that is correctly aligned and choose the vertical aligner, and then choose the field which has to be aligned. This GSTIN has now come in the same column as the others. You can use your arrow keys and your control button to move the field around the design. Hold the control button and press your arrow keys to move the field. Suppose if you want to paste your shop's GST number here in the header section, you can search for the field GST number. Here you can find your shop GST. Just single click this and place it in the design. You can also verify the value of the field by right clicking it and clicking on get field result. This will be the value of the field taken from the database. In order to align this horizontally with this field, click the field that is correctly aligned, click on the horizontal aligner icon, and then click the field that has to be aligned. Now you can use your control key and arrow keys to move the field to the exact position. You can preview the design by clicking on preview button. As you can see, the GSTIN number is not displayed completely. This is because the width of the field is low. Select the field and increase the width from width drop-down box. Now, when you preview, you can find your complete GST number. Whatever changes you are making to the print design will be auto-saved. Now, you can go to reprint and check how the print will be. We have added content to an existing field. We have created a new text field as well as a function field. Also, we have aligned the same according to the print design. You can also open the design screen by clicking on the design screen icon available in your preview. By this way, you can make whatever modifications you want in your print design.
Hope everyone has seen the video as well as the demo I have given, and it will be very useful to do the basic changes in your print build design. If you have any doubts regarding this, kindly raise your doubts using the question mark button. We are surprising that Like some are not even started to do the GST process, such as updating the GST details in your master and also respective supplier customer master details, GST details in their master data. But 1 month before itself, we have given given the product to upload your GST details in the product. But some are not even uploaded the GST details, and now only they are starting to upload the GST details in their product. So for those, we have given you the complete package of the video product wise. For each product, you will get a separate video with the compilation of GST transition in the YouTube. In the YouTube under GoFrugal channel, in the playlist, you can see the all GoFrugal product GST transition, complete transition for the product DE 6, 7 and 6 restaurant, supermarket and HQ. For all the products, we have shared the complete compilation of GST transition videos starting from the patch update till the GST switch and print related changes we have uploaded here. Just make use of that who are all just now starting. You should completely watch this video and do the necessary changes in your product. குருசாமிங்கிற ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காரு. அது முன்னாடியே சொன்னதுதான் சார். டிஃபால்ட்டா மைக்ரேட் ஆகுறது வந்துட்டு வேட்டுங்கிறது அப்படியே ஜிஎஸ்டியா காமிக்கும். வேட் எக்ஸிஸ்டிங்கா வேட் வந்து உங்களுக்கு 12%னா ஜிஎஸ்டி நீங்க 12% போட்டீங்கன்னா ஜிஎஸ்டி ஈக்குவல் டு 12% தான் காமிக்கும். ஆனா உங்களுக்கு சிஜிஎஸ்டி தனியா 6, எஸ்ஜிஎஸ்டி தனியா 6 வேணுங்கிறது பர்பஸ்க்காக தான் நாங்க உங்களுக்கு டிஃபால்ட் ப்ரொஃபைல் வந்துட்டு எல்லா பிரிண்ட் பேஜ் சைஸ்லயும் எல்லா பிரிண்டருக்கும் சப்போர்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லா ப்ராடக்ட்லையுமே பில் என்ட்ரி அண்டர்ஸ்கோர் ஜிஎஸ்டிங்கிற ப்ரொஃபைல் டைப்ல டபுள் கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்க எல்லா டிஃபால்ட் ப்ரொஃபைலுமே வரும். 4 இன்ச்சு, 3 இன்ச்சு, 80 காலம், A4, A5 சைஸ்ல எல்லாத்துலயுமே வரும். அந்த எல்லா ப்ரொஃபைல்லையுமே உங்களுக்கு சிஜிஎஸ்டி தனியா, எஸ்ஜிஎஸ்டி தனியா நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்கோம். நீங்க அந்த ப்ரொஃபைல் யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு தனித்தனி ஸ்பிட்டப்போட உங்களுக்கு பிரிண்ட்ல வரும். அதுல வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஏதாச்சும் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும்னா அதுக்கு எப்படி பண்ணலாங்கிறதுக்காக தான் இப்போ டெமோ கொடுத்தோம். ஸோ எல்லா வீடியோலையுமே நீங்க ப்ராடக்ட் வீடியோ பார்த்தீங்கனாலே உங்களுக்கு தெளிவா புரிஞ்சிடும் டிஃபால்ட் ப்ரொஃபைல் என்ன இருக்கு, ப்ரொஃபைல் மைக்ரேட் ஆகுறதுல என்ன நடக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ தயவு செய்து திருப்பி அந்த வீடியோஸ் கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க. ஸோ அதுல உங்களுக்கு கிளியரா உங்களுக்கு வியூ கிடைச்சிரும் என்ன பண்ணணும், என்ன நடந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. தேங்க்யூ. So everyone can raise your questions in own language. நீங்க தமிழ்லயும் கேட்கலாம்.
आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हो, తెలుగులో కూడా మాట్లాడొచ్చు.
சார் உங்களுக்கு மிஸ்டர் முருகன் சார் வந்து ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காரு. சாப்டர் 1ல ஸ்டெப் 7 யூஸ் பண்ணாம டைரக்டா நெக்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் போக முடியுமா, ஜிஎஸ்டிக்கு ஸ்விட்ச் பண்ண முடியுமான்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ அதுல இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு பண்ணக்கூடிய விஷயங்கள் சார். அதாவது உங்க பிசினஸ்க்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி நீங்க பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்ப வந்துட்டு ஸ்லாப் ப்ராசஸ் எதுக்காகனா கார்மெண்ட்ஸ்க்காக. ஸோ கார்மெண்ட்ஸு ரெடிமேட்ஸ் வச்சிருக்க கஸ்டமர்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்லாப் கண்டிப்பாக மஸ்ட் அது பண்ணியே ஆகணும். சப்போஸ் நீங்கள் எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் மற்ற ஏதாச்சும் வச்சுருந்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு அது தேவையில்லை. அதே மாதிரி தான் நீங்கள் ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்டுக்கு தனியாக சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட்டுக்குன்னு தனியாகவும் நாங்கள் கம்ப்ளீட் வீடியோ கொடுத்துட்டோம். ஸோ உங்களோட பிஸ்னஸ்க்கு எது சூட்டபிள் ஆகுமோ அதை பார்த்துக்கோங்க. இது வந்து கண்டிப்பாக எனக்கு தேவையான்னு சொல்லிட்டு அது உங்கள் பிஸ்னஸ் வச்சு தான் நீங்கள் முடிவு பண்ணணும். ஆனால் அது எல்லாமே நீங்கள் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா நீங்கள் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக ஜிஎஸ்டிக்கு ஸ்விட்ச் ஆகிறதுக்கு கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக நீங்கள் மூவ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ அந்த பர்பஸ்க்காக தான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு கம்ப்ளீட் பேக்கேஜாகவும் நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இப்போ வந்து நீங்கள் சாப்டர் 1 சாப்டர் 2 தேடி தேடி பார்க்குறது கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும்னா உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கம்ப்ளீட் வீடியோவாக கொடுத்துருக்கோம். கொஞ்சம் தயவு செய்து அதை பாருங்க. The session is going to end soon. Request you to raise your queries using that question mark button. And also thank you everyone for the active participation in the session. You all know that we have already launched our Chitti, the GoFrugal chatbot, which is you will get an immediate response for all your queries at the instance of time. And one more thing, like if you are thinking that only the robot is giving you the answer, it's not like that. For all your queries, how the Chitti is replying to our experts, all our experts are monitoring that. If the Chitti, like in 100 questions, one question can be reply you with irrelevant answer. For that itself, we are identifying that and immediately we are connecting you and give you the proper response and proper answer to your question. So don't worry about that. Kindly use our Chitti regularly and completely for all your queries to get immediate response.
we have come to the end of the session. If any queries are unanswered, I assure you that your queries will be answered through Chitti. I kindly request all of you to come in the help chat and get your queries resolved. And I request everyone to take part in the upcoming webinars and get updated with the GST details in GoFrugal software. Thank you once again.